Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Quran Time with Nuria, where we explore the Quran and the interesting stories inside the marvelous book. In continuation with the previous part, the permission for temporary marriage, muta, is explained in detail. Allah also illustrates the responsibilities of a man towards his wife and how he should conduct himself in the household. This part of the Quran also includes the ulul ammar verse, which commands believers to obey God, the Prophet, and the ulul ammar, those vested with authority. The verse is one of the Quranic proofs for the infallibility and imamat of Imam Ali and other imams. There's no doubt the verse indicates the infallibility of ulul ammar. The reasoning is based on two main points. One, when God commands to obey someone unconditionally, it results in his infallibility, because it would be hypocritical if he is fallible and commands us to not commit a sin while he commits sins at the same time. 2. The word ulul amr is mentioned immediately after the word al-rasul, prophet, and because the obedience of the prophet is unconditionally necessary due to his infallibility, so the obedience of ulul amr is also unconditional. So it results in the infallibility of ulul amr. Jabir ibn Abdullah al-Ansari says, when the verse was revealed, I asked the Prophet, we know God and his Prophet, but who are ulul amr, that God attached their obedience to your obedience? The Prophet said, they are my successors and imams of Muslims after me. First of them is Ali, then al-Hasan, then al-Hussein, then Ali ibn al-Hussein, and Muhammad ibn Ali, and so on. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is also mentioned as a link to Allah, and if we want to connect with Allah or ask him for something, we should do it through the Prophet. Also in these verses, virtues of Imam Ali and the rest of the family of the Prophet are explained. In verse 69, the virtues of Imam Ali, Hazrat Hamza, and Hazrat Jaffery are described. They are called martyrs, honest and righteous. Allah shared an important message encouraging Muslims to defend themselves when faced with danger and not to be afraid of death. Death can come even sitting at home, so going out to fight does not ensure death, nor staying at home is a guarantee of safety of life. One must have firm belief in Allah's authority. Hypocrites were condemned in these verses, and a warning was given to the Muslims by condemning the hypocrites that, O Muslims, beware, they want to make you a disbeliever in their own way. A believer should always be alert and should be able to identify hypocrites. A very strong tone was used while describing the punishments of a murderer. Allah states that the one who kills a Muslim intentionally will always burn in hell. An incident is also mentioned where a man who was apparently a Muslim but in fact a hypocrite committed theft and blamed it on a Jew. The incident reached the Holy Prophet, a verse was revealed, and Allah told the Prophet that the thief was that hypocrite. That hypocrite fled to Mecca and became an open infidel. Allah also asks humans to be aware of Satan's tricks, as he is always ready to mislead. He asks us to follow the path of Prophet Ibrahim, respect women, and emphasizes the severe punishment for hypocrites.